Hi guys, I'm Megan Brightwood and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is really exciting because I have two KnitCrate unboxings for you. I have the KnitCrate membership and the sock crate, and I've been getting both for a couple months now. Love them. I am sent these for review purposes, and I do also have a coupon code if you're interested for 20% off using the code PEARLS20. However, I did also hear that there is a flash sale going on where you can get 2 boxes for the price of 1, so you might want to check that out too. Anyway, before I get into what is in these new boxes, I do always like to go over what I made from last month. I just always think that that's kind of fun, and then it kind of gives you an idea of what the projects are. So the first item is what I'm wearing around my neck. This is the Beach Ball Cowl by Virginia Statler Reimer, I think is who the designer is. I'll leave it linked below. But yeah, isn't it pretty? I don't remember what yarn I used, but the colorway I believe was Dashboard. And this is doubled, but I'm hoping that you can kind of see the lace work here. It worked up really, really quickly. I don't know, I think it's really pretty. It's probably gonna be more worn once the weather cools off a little bit. I mean, right now it's high 70s, I think, maybe early 80s, maybe low 80s. I'm not sure. It's really warm outside, but we're gonna get air conditioning within the next week or so here. So that's really exciting. And then the other item that I made are these Hyla socks by Hannah Thiessen. And these, I remember when I unboxed last month's KnitCrate or sock crate, I had mentioned that I thought that these would be good beginner socks, and I kind of want to take that back a little bit because to make these socks, I think you probably do want to have made socks before. It incorporates a lot of more advanced sock techniques. So there's an afterthought heel here. There's some arch shaping that I'm gonna see if I can show it to you. It fits the foot really, really well. Do you see those little V's there? And then they're made at the same time. I don't know, there were a lot of different techniques that I think a beginner would have a hard time with. But someone that has made socks even like once or twice probably could handle these. So yeah, don't be afraid, they're cool. And yeah, so those are my Hyla socks. And now let's get into the new KnitCrates because I am so excited. I was looking at the KnitCrates Instagram, and it's all like sea inspired, so lots of blues and greens, and I don't know, I'm really excited to get into these. So let's take a look at this first one. I don't know if this is the KnitCrate or the sock crate, but we will find out. Oh gosh, the card's coming out. So this one has 2 skeins, which means it's the KnitCrate membership. And this is not a card. This is a little booklet. Let's take a look at this. So yeah, the theme is Indigo Glow, and it says, dive into a palette of cool hues and explore the deep saturated tones of this month's theme. Inspired by the rich colors of one of history's most sought-after natural pigments, we asked our dyers and designers to draw inspiration from saturated shibori textiles, rippling ocean waves, and water-worn stones and seashells. Oh, I love it. Okay, so let's take a look in here. Ooh, this is cool. So they have the patterns here, just right in the booklet. It shows where to download the pattern, so I don't want to show you that. But it's got the knit pattern here. I need to adjust, sorry. The knit pattern here, this is Gully Washer by Carissa Browning. And then the crochet pattern is Caribbean Escape by Jennifer Dickerson. I think I like the knit one more, but we'll see which one I decide to do. And then on the opposite side, it has little bios of the designers, which I think is really, really cool. I love that. And then it does also have some little coupon codes and different things as well. That is awesome. So what else is in here? Oh, that is cool. So you know how I was covering up where to download the patterns? They actually have the written instructions in here, which is awesome. Now I need to not lose this book. Or at least not let Evelyn get a hold of it. So there are the patterns. That is awesome. I love that. And the yarn is so pretty. Look at that pretty bright blue. It's got like a hint of aqua, and then it's got some really fun like dark navy blue speckles. Do you see those? I love this. Aren't these blues just gorgeous? I don't know. I am really excited. So this is Uru yarn, and it is in the colorway Undertow. So it says speckled singles, 100% superwash merino, and it is of course a fingering weight. I think you can kind of see that from just looking at it. The texture is really kind of cool. It reminds me of like a hand spun yarn. Can you see it? I don't know. I've been playing with my drop spindle a lot, and this is what I want it to look like. It definitely does not look like this, but yeah, I think this is gorgeous. So excited to play with that. And then let's check out the next box. So that one must be the sock crate. And one of the colorways in here, I really want a specific colorway, but both of them are pretty. So let's just check it out. So, oh, the cards are different, or the cards, I'm so used to cards. The booklets are different. So here is the KnitCrate membership one, and here is the sock crate. So that's cool. I think that, yeah, the actual text on here is the same. But let's see. Yes. It's got the pattern download and the pattern, like the written pattern in here. It's got a bio of the designer. Awesome. Love it. So I'm sure you're wondering what the pattern looks like. It's going to be a little difficult to see. So this is Elegant Bells by Kelly Slack, and it looks like that. And I wish you could see these better because they are gorgeous. Maybe I'll see if the pattern is on Ravelry already. Well, it should be on Ravelry already. So I'll link that below, and maybe you can see what the design looks like better, because it's gorgeous. There's cabling on it. Really, really pretty. And the color, I got the colorway I wanted. So the sock is the Vitalana base, and it is in the colorway Dusty Rose. Does that not look like something I would be just absolutely in love with? We had a cooler day yesterday or the day before, kind of felt like fall weather, and I just like jumped right back into like all these really deep reds and purples, and I love this color so much. So yeah, I know which project I'm gonna be starting with, and then that'll give me a little more time to decide whether I want to do the crochet or the knit pattern. But yeah, oh my goodness, isn't that pretty? It's got like little speckles in there, or not speckles, what would you call that? It's oh my gosh, it's like a tweedy. There we go. It's kind of a tweed sort of look. Anyway, I should probably get going. I really want to cast these babies on, and I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you want to see what these projects look like knit up, then certainly join me again next month when I will be showing you those projects. And as for right now, I'm going to get going, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye!